Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Old Blue gets to go to the doctor. We're gonna haul her off and let somebody else take care of it. We ain't got time to mess with it, but I gotta go say my goodbyes, baby girl. It has been a long time coming. 74 days today since I unhooked my log trailer from Old Blue. I'm in the Red and White International now, what I used to call a strawberry shortcake. Been driving this truck ever since the Old Blue catastrophe. And they hauled Old Blue off today. She used to sit right there beside the triaxle. There was a wrecker come picked her up, and it's gonna take it up there to Dennis up in Salem. Supposed to put a new cab on it. I ain't seen the cab. I don't even know if Dennis has got a cab yet. But that's a big step. I'm glad to see that sucker off his parking lot. Every morning I come in here and I look at that truck and I'm like, damn it. What a hell of a mistake to have to sit there and look at. But it's been 74 days today since anything's happened to Old Blue. And I'm taking my old red and white truck back here and I'm going to hook to the log trailer that's been destroyed from the wreck. And I'm going to start torching on it, cutting some of the bolsters off, getting it ready to put new log stakes on it, and we're going to rebuild that sucker. Got new chain boxes going on it. Oh, it's cool.
Practicing your backing?
Yeah, how am I doing?
Well, I'll let you know when you hit Robin's truck.
Robin's truck's in the shop, Larry. Don't be a dick.
He ain't here yet.
Larry's jealous.
Oh, you've been hanging out with your brother Chris, learning his language, huh?
See, he's jealous. Whatever, Snowflake.
Yeah, Craig.
So, we're going back here and I'm going to hook up to the wreck trailer. I'll give you a real quick detour on how that thing looks right now. I don't think I'm going to do any how-tos or anything as far as just torching it off. I might do like a, here's what I got done today kind of thing. Here's what I got done today kind of thing. That's the steps that goes along. But I ain't going to do much videoing on it. I just want to get it done and get it over with. So, here we go. She wanted to give me a little attitude. See if she still pulls. Well, the brakes work. Pretty good. I believe we can still haul logs with this sucker. Boy, it looks bad. Look at the headache rack all pulled around. Log stakes just ready to fall off back there. We're going to put her down there in the lower shop. I am really glad to get to do this. I told Tater after it all happened and all the wreck and everything was over with, I said it was my fault. It was my wreck. I want to be the one to have to go through it and redo it. Been sitting back here 74 days, ain't nobody touched it since. Here we go. And I'm not gonna be the spoiler, but wait till you see Old Blue whenever I get it back. Can't wait. Cannot wait. I got big plans for Old Blue. There's only one other person that knows about it, and it's not Tater. Can't wait. Oh boy. Oh. I don't know yet. I want to cut that out to there. I'd like to redo the whole thing, but I don't think it's going to happen. But I think I want to cut that out. Because when Tater made this, he made the pipes come all the way through, the bolsters. And if I just go flush butt plate back on there, it ain't going to have much strength. So I think I want to bore them all out with the gouger, butt plate up against that, and that'll give me my strength back out on that corner then. That's what I want to do. I don't know what he wants to do, but that there took a pretty good licking. Bumped some of them out. Needs to be redone. I got the deck all cleaned. I just need to take grinder and buff some of that off and clean the slag off of that. And then I got a 4 post or three posts. This one, that one, and the back bunk that I got to shave off on the trailer. And then I'm going to salvage that pole and these gussets. And then I think I'm going to salvage them gussets. That pole's junk because it's already been scabbed once. And I think I might be able to salvage one gusset off of that. That one there's tweaked pretty good. And this pole's tweaked. You can't notice it, but it's actually bent outward. Pretty good start for day one. Trailer's almost done. I could probably finish it today as far as getting it prepped and ready for new steel, but I'm getting out of here.